Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 fence materials, including their pros and cons, to help you make the best choice for your home. Let's dive in. First up, wood. Pros: it's affordable, versatile, and gives a classic look. You can paint or stain it to match your style. Cons: wood requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and insect damage. Next, we have vinyl. Pros: it's low maintenance, durable, and comes in various colors. It won't warp or splinter, making it a long-lasting option. Cons: the initial cost can be higher than wood, and it may not look as natural. Third on our list is chain link. Pros: it's cost-effective, easy to install, and provides good visibility while keeping pets secure. Cons: it doesn't offer much privacy, and it can be less aesthetically pleasing. Fourth, we have wrought iron. Pros: this material is incredibly strong and durable. It adds elegance and curb appeal while providing security. Cons: it can be expensive and requires regular maintenance to prevent rust. Finally, let's talk about composite. Pros: it combines the look of wood with the durability of plastic. It's low maintenance and resistant to fading. Cons: it can be pricier than traditional wood and may not offer the same authentic look. So, there you have it, our top 5 fence materials. Each has its pros and cons, so consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.